Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video session. On this video session, we are going to understand the major industries in India. In that, today I will deal the two industries, that is sugar industry and aluminium industry. Second major industries, that is aluminium industry. As we all know, one of the major industry in India. So aluminium is the most important non-ferrous metal. So, aluminium has been used in a wide range of uses of the product. So, it is a main raw material for manufacturing some a big product like aeroplanes, automobiles, railways, ship, household appliances, electrical cables, and its foil are used as a packing of materials for paint industries, etc. It is a good substitute for steel and coppers. Instead of using a steel and a copper, the aluminium are used for the substitutions of steel and the copper. The location of aluminium industry is mainly governed by the availability of bauxite, which is a main raw material. This is a bauxite which is used for which is used a raw material for the aluminium. Supply of hydroelectric power, wide market and capital. These three sources these three factors which are available in that particular location. You can start up a aluminium industry. Mainly the raw material which you can see here. This is must be available there, then only they can easily get a raw material to manufacture the aluminium. The aluminium industry is a second important metal based industry in India. It was started in the year 1942 at Jayanagar in West Bengal. Now there are 9 major aluminium plants in the country. Let us see what are those. First, they are at the first one, Jayanagar in West Bengal, Alupuram in Kerala, Mettur in Tamil Nadu, Belagavi in Karnataka, Hirakund and Damanjodi in Odisha, Renukut in Uttar Pradesh, Korba in Chhattisgarh, and Ratnagiri in Maharashtra. So these are the aluminium plants located in our India. So India has the 11th place in the world for a production of aluminium products. So India imports aluminium to meet its local demands. So sometime it will import aluminium from the other countries to meet a demand of the local, that is domestic customers. Second one, third one, cotton's textile industry. Cotton textile is the biggest and the most important branch of textiles industries in India. One of the important industry for manufacturing the cloths. So it is the most important agro-based industry. Cotton textile and the sugar industries comes under the agro-based industries. Basically, cottons are grown in the field. So cotton cloth making was known to the Indians since a long time, but it was confined to the handlooms. So it is a one of our business, or you can say it as a work which is followed by the Indians since from the so many years, that is long years. The first modern cotton textile industry was started in the year 1854 when a cotton mill was set up at Mumbai. After that, the industry made rapid progress and more mills were established. Now, India ranks second in the world in the respect of cotton fabrics production next to the China. So, China is at the first place. Also, India is the second largest exporters of cotton textile. So, our India is in the second place in the it with respect to the cotton fabric manufacturing or production, and also it is a second largest exporter because of the field that what we are available, the resource. So for that reason, so many farmers are farming the cotton in their field, and they are exporting a good quality of the cotton to the other countries. The location of the cotton textile industry is governed by the supply of raw cotton, power, vast market, capital, skilled labor, and humid climate. So these are the some factors which will influence for the location of the cotton textile industries. Distribution. Cotton textile industry is widely distributed over more than 76 towns and cities of India. However, it is concentrated mainly in the cotton growing states, that is Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, and Haryana. So, Maharashtra and Gujarat are the leading manufacturers of cotton textiles, and they are getting a raw material from their city as well as the other states also. So Mumbai is a most popular center for cotton textile industry. It is known as a cotton polis of India, and Manchester of India. So that is Manchester's. The name is given for the Mumbai. This completes the today's topic. Remaining I will deal in the next video session. If you have any doubts, you can reach us. Thank you.